In today's recording, we're going to talk about using Loom and how to switch from a full screen like this to a small screen like this and go back and forth. Because sometimes when you're starting a Loom video, you want to be full screen so you can tell the visitor what you're going to be talking about. And then maybe you pause the screen to discuss something and then you go back to the screen. And then at the end you conclude like this again. So this will be a step-by-step tutorial. And if you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Okay, I'm trying this out to see if I can switch from screen share with camera to just camera. So here I am. Now I switched just to camera. And then I go back here and I just go back down. So I can pause this. Then when I unpause, I can be to camera. Then I'm going to go back here, hit this little dot, and go back down to the small. I can also move my, let's say I want to move it up here. I can move the camera up there. And then I could have like a script right below the camera, a script right above the camera where I'm reading the script. And then I could go here and show on my screen. So there I'm on my screen. But the answer is when I put my cursor on my picture, it has that little full camera where I click that and it goes to full camera. And then when I hit these little dots and I click this, it goes to small. And if I want to just get rid of it, I click remove. And then if I want to bring that back, I click on the little camera icon. Then I pop back in. There I am. And now this camera is not my iPhone. This camera now is my screen. So that makes it a little tricky. So now I'm recording on my screen. As you can see, my iPhone was a lot better quality footage than my MacBook Pro. So that's something, if I'm gonna start with my camera, with my iPhone camera, the one I had recorded at first, I would need to have that turned on for my Loom recording.